My name is Mr. Mlaudzi, your lecturer for EWS121Q. Here I just want to go over assignment 2 calculations, especially question 4.1, because I know it's very tricky for you guys, so I just want to show you the tricky part of this question. Question 4.1, it says the rating and the observed times for element 1 and 2 are given in the table below. This is the table. The question says calculate the basic time for both elements and the total standard time for both elements. All times are given in standard times. Your extended basic times is within plus or minus 20 limit. So your upper limit and the lower limit is 20%. So a rating scale of 80 to 120 was used. As you can see the ratings. So the rest allowance for element 1 is 10%. The rest allowance for element 2 is 15%. So remember guys, I just want you to put the exact figures in the space provided. Remember, I don't see your rough work. I only need the correct figures there. Okay? Once you put the wrong figure, then you know that you're going to get it wrong going down. So you must be sure of what you are putting there. Okay? So I know you'll be using your calculators, so sometimes there'll be finger errors, so double check. Because whatever you put there is going to affect everything. Remember, this question comes with 25 marks. So you need to be extra careful while doing this question. And I believe you can start with this question while you're still fresh, before you get frustrated with the theory questions. So start with this question. Okay? So let's start with element 1. So we are putting the figures now. So the basic time, the formula for basic time is observed time multiplied by rating divided by standard rating. Standard rating is always 100. You expect an operator to work at 100%, always. Okay? So for element 1, it will be 50 multiplied by, it's going to be 50 multiplied by 100 divided by 100, which is 50. Okay? So you do the same for all the elements. So element 2, you get 31.5. Element 3, 46.55. Element 4, 86.25. Element 5, 51. Element 6, 40.95. Element 7, 52.25. Element 8, 44. Element 9, 32. Element 10, 39.6. So we are done with element 1. So you move to element 2, you do the same for element 2. So it will be 36 here. 38.95, 37.05, 46, 39, 42.75, 37.8, and 44.65. So up until here, I'll give you a half mark for this, half mark for this. So up until here, you'll have what? 10 marks. Up until I'll give you 10 marks. So remember, guys, when you see these gaps, which don't have any values, don't put your own values. I didn't make any mistake. It's how the question is. So just work on this. Don't put your own values. Okay? So up until here, I'll give you 10 marks. Now, to calculate the total basic time, you add all the basic times for element 1, and you put a total, which is 426.6. You go to element 2, you add all the basic times, you get the total, which is 323.1. I'll give you a mark for this and a mark for this. Okay? So if you made a mistake here in one of the elements, your total will be wrong. So which means if your total is wrong, everything is wrong going down. So you can get it wrong on this side and get it right on this side. So I'll continue marking this side, giving marks, those half marks. So you'll not lose everything, but you'll lose half of it. Okay? So the number of cycles for element 1, you are given 10 observed times, so which means it's 10. Okay? For element 2, you are given what? 8 observed time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. Okay? To get your average basic time, you divide your total basic time by the number of cycles. So which is 42.46. So it's 426.6 divided by 10, which is 42.46. So you do the same for element 2. You divide 323.1 by 8 to get 40.39. Okay?